Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alaba the Unique from Alaba the Unique Creations. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we'll be making salad. We'll be making mozzarella salad. A very delicious salad that is perfect for the hot summer day. These are the ingredients that we are going to be using today for this salad. These are my mozzarella cheese, tomatoes. These tomatoes are delicious, people. Try it, you will enjoy it. Some eggs. I have salmon fish here, and I have this Chinese lettuce, and I have here olive oil. So without any further ado, let's start cooking.
Tryna get my feelings on this shit higher. Do another line if I get tired. She a real bad bitch, call her spit fire. When you wiggle all that shit, make me spit fire. When I didn't put these bitches on my fucking rider. Oh well, oh shit, I'm a fucking liar. I'm talking all this shit, I'ma get fire. I am not afraid of all the lengths I go. I was already ties go. I am already on the gas, running red lights low. Probably shouldn't do this every day, I know. Probably should be able to take a break, I know. Feel the willpower, such a break. Summer night, down if you could, go 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 down if you could. Down if you could throw, 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 down.
This is our mozzarella, the tomatoes, and I also added bell pepper, red bell pepper, because I love bell pepper with my salad, and that is lettuce and some eggs, salmon, and some olive oil. So I'm just going to dress it up right now, then I will let you see how it looks like.
Should be able to take a break, I know. Feel willpower start to break when the summer night comes. Down if you cut, go 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 down if you cut, throw down if you cut, throw down if you cut. Down if you cut, throw down if you cut, throw. Yeah, I'm sick of all these dick riders. Tryna get my feelings on this shit higher. Do another line if I get tired. She a real bad bitch, call her spit fire. When you wiggle all that shit, make me.
I'm going to just add a spoonful of olive oil. So this is mozzarella. This is the package. This is our mozzarella salad today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do give it a thumbs up, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel all about the unique creations, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.